So in this Air Canada app tutorial, I will be showing you how to book a premium economy seat on the Air Canada app. So once the AC app is opened up, go to the bottom left and select book. Once you're here, select your flight type. So there's round trip, one-way, multi-city. I will just use one way for this example. Then once you're here, select where you're departing from. So if I wanted to depart from Vancouver and I wanted to go to Calgary as an example, I can go ahead and select my dates just like that. I'll go July 1st. Once you're here, you can select the amount of passengers that are going. And then right beside that where it says cabin, go ahead and make sure that premium economy is selected and then press continue. And then at the bottom, search one-way flights. Once you're here, you're going to be able to see the flights that are being offered. So if you just wanted to select this flight right here, you can. And where it says economy right here, if you're looking for premium economy, I want you to slide this over to where it says these options right here. So there's latitude, there's comfort, there's flex. These are kind of the premium economy seats. So if you wanted to get a comfort seat right there, you can go ahead and select that and press continue. Then once you're on this page right here, you can confirm the flight, the passenger by entering the details, the credit card that you're going to be using to pay, the fare summary, etc. And if this looks good to you, go to the bottom, press accept and book to book your premium economy seat that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to book a premium economy seat on the Air Canada app. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.